Gayle, the man on strike. Strike rate in excess of 150. Inside half of the bat, but beats the field and finds the boundary. Oh, he's gone over the top. And a yes bank maximum.
And launched. Didn't move the feet, just a little bit of a weight transfer, and the weight is the bat more than anything else.
Goes again. This is even longer and harder. It's over the side screen. Doesn't matter. 4 more. Oh, he's gone big. Mark it down as 6, number 3.
Not holding back with the shots. That's exactly what he was thinking about doing. Get underneath this ball at a good length and work it as straight as possible. That was in his area on the leg side.
That's in the air. Bailey running backwards, and he puts it down. And what's worse, goes into the boundary.
Dagger to the heart when he sees it roll away for 4.
6 more. Full toss put in the crowd.
Got 1 more to go in this one, and now there's 20 off this one.
Oh, punch down the ground, glorious shot. We've seen some 6s.
Sweet zone. Oh, once again lucky to find the fielder. 50 for Gayle. And the crowd and the home team will be hoping there's more to come.
Launched again and gone huge. That is swinging high. That's gone a mile too. It's almost out of the ground. What a
monster. Oh, caught underneath it. Got the height, got the distance, hit the roof.
Hit it well, hit it for another 6. Brilliant stuff. What an...
Well, it's been pitched up and he hasn't got a lot of it, or has he? Yes, he has. He's got enough. It's a yes bank maximum. It's on leg, and that's it. It's gone for 4, and it is a magnificent 100 to Gayle.
And this, there he is. I've conquered it.
And no relief, particularly when you bowl a full toss. Bread and butter there for Gayle. 50 runs.
He's got that in the gap. Straight down the ground, 6 more.
Tournament 6. Look at this power, raw power from Gayle. I have no idea, and neither do Kings 11, how they're going to stop him.
There again, he takes the catch. Good sharp catch from Akshar Patel. And a brilliant innings from Gayle comes to an end. Gayle will leave 190 for 2.
Bengaluru. Another full house here at Chinnaswamy Stadium. Another one. So first,
well, now it's started to drizzle a bit, and the umpires are asking the players to leave the field.
There's cloud peeping through. Jump. Lovely. Even though there's a long on, he's a spectator. It's a yes bank maximum. Whoa. Wow. That is a scorcher.
What a shot. 6, and he gets a half century. Oh, it's in the air, it's hard, it's flat, it's 6 more. What a bullet that was from Gayle. He'll go again. Oh, that's gone a long way to the stands. Oh, this time it's a full toss. Oh, it's got the same treatment, you betcha. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, it's as big as you get. That's the fastest IPL 100, T20 100 in the history of the game.
Oh, it's gone. And it's gone far. very, very far. That's 4. Goal pick. How big is that? That's gone further. I'd be surprised if that wasn't the biggest of the day. The little 150 for Chris Gayle. 53 deliveries and Virat Kohli shakes his head.
Oh, man! He's missed again. AB de Villiers hasn't missed. That's out the middle of the bat, and it's gone for 6. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar has been just now the highest score ever in a... Boom! Has he got all of that? No. More. There's a man there, Mitch.
Right, wicket is what you said. But what a score, 263 for 5. Congratulations.